Good afternoon, Wonderpost fans. Here we are in the allotment. I've been away for a couple of weeks in China and have really missed getting out on this allotment. Afraid when I've been away it's been rather damp and wet, but today's the only time I can really get to plant some potatoes. So the conditions aren't perhaps so ideal, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and plant these early potatoes. What I've done is about 6 weeks ago, I chitted these potatoes. In other words, I stood them upright with the eyes upright in a egg box like this, and we've got the shoots just coming up just like that. Really they should be about an inch long before we plant them, but as I say, today's about the only day I can get to spend some time on the allotment. So these are early potatoes. I've prepped the soil. We've done a nice little trench here which is 5 inches deep. We're going to plant half of the potatoes in the Wonderpost half of the allotment and the other half in the bit of the allotment that hasn't been prepped with Wonderpost. So we're going to put these potatoes in 5 inches deep, 12 inches apart. Going to cover them up with soil. Then I'm going to put a light dressing of chicken manure on the top and rake that in, and we should start to harvest these, I think, probably in around about June, July, hopefully. So we'll see you in a moment with a bit of a progress. 12 inches apart, is that about 12 inches?
Yeah.
Okay, about there?
I don't know, really.
Well, here's a good indication. Let's have a look at your foot. How big is it?
That big.
Okay, so my foot is about a foot. So
Mine's...
if you think about your foot and put about 2 inches on top of it,
okay,
then you're there.
5 inches or that big?
Sorry? No, a couple of inches.
Okay.
Yeah, so about that much.
Okay.
Okay, that's 12 inches apart. I'll do some stuff at that end.
Okay.
Great, and we'll meet in the middle. Well done. That's really good.
The string's got a lot loose.
That's okay.